welcome to Croatia. I'm currently in Zagreb. I arrived late last night and I leave early tomorrow morning to Split, so I just have today to explore. I've decided to try a burek today. It's this flaky pastry with a meat filling. It might originate in Turkey, but it's very popular here in Croatia. Time to try. It's actually really nice. I wasn't sure if I'd like it or not, but it's good. I've made it to the top of this hill. Wow, this water is so blue. I'll be going off to one of those distant islands in a couple days. Wow. For the sunset tonight. It's just finishing now, but wow, it's such a nice spot and it looks quite a bit like Australia. But it's starting to rain now and it'll be dark soon, so I should probably get a move on. It's quite the walk back. little town of Skradin. I've just caught a boat here from the Krka National Park. It's time to explore for a few hours. Alright, it's time to climb up all of these stairs to the fortress. Having a rest after my fig. It's very quiet in this town. Got the Croatian flag blowing in the wind. And there's a lovely